5:20 now. Meteorologist Ron Smiley joins us again. And Ron, is it safe to say this is a slower moving storm? I know there's some people yesterday were like, it's not snowing. I don't see much out here.
No, it wasn't the slow movement. It was the fact that we got a little pocket of warm air that moved in. Temperatures yesterday never dropped below about 36, 37 degrees.
Right.
And so we were just seeing rain for most of the day. Now, it started off, it looked pretty much how we thought it was. The Butler area, Butler community saw some snow. We saw some mixed precipitation down south right along I-70 before noon, and then we got that warm pocket of air, and everything just changed over to rain. Now, we were expecting to see rain, but we thought it would be here at about 7, 8 o'clock, a few hours of that, then back over to snow. What we really missed out on was that first initial snow, and then right in the middle, just seeing temperatures too warm for what we thought would be freezing rain. It just came down all as rain. That certainly ate into our snow totals that we're expecting to see. Still expected, according to the National Weather Service, about 2 to 4 inches of snow to fall today in Allegheny County, Butler County as well. Here's a quick look outside. You can certainly see the snow coming down. At this point, it's 21. We do have some snow out there coming down, and it is coming down at a very high rate. We are going to see some very quick accumulation of snow. We're already starting to see that building up. Look at the winds out of the northwest at 25 miles an hour. The barometer 29 and 54 of an inch, and the dew point coming in at 19 degrees. So we do now have a winter weather advisory. That is what has replaced the winter storm warning. So the advisory is less than the warning, and that happened at around 5, 6 o'clock yesterday, where the National Weather Service dropped the forecast down to 2 to 4 instead of that 3 to about 8-inch range that we had it in earlier. You'll also notice that the winter storm warning with big snow total still is there for a big portion of western Pennsylvania, just not the core of Allegheny, Westmoreland County, now Butler County and Armstrong County, all out of that. So here's what's going on. If you're down south of I-70, you're not seeing much at all, and that's going to be pretty much the case all day. Last little bit, you'll see a little bit of snow, but that's it. If you're in Allegheny County, especially northern parts of Allegheny County, you're seeing some big snow rates at this point, and that stretches off to the north. We're already seeing that line where snow comes to an end. Does look like at this point, about 9 or 10 o'clock, we'll start to see our snow going from fairly steady to coming to an end. And I think that our heaviest snow is actually working its way through right now. Snow rates will be going down over the next few hours. So just like we said, you can actually see where the warm air is moving in. Big portion of Pennsylvania that's still not dealing with much. We do have a lot of snow out there, though, especially north of I-80, where we will get those big snow totals because of the wind and because of the heavy snow rates. Look at just how low visibilities are. Half a mile in Butler and Pittsburgh, Newcastle at 3/4 of a mile. So that's where the pockets of heavier snow are. It's still, we're getting a little bit of rain in some areas just off to the east, including some of the mountain areas. And because of that, they're not having to deal with that visibility issues that other folks are this hour. Here's a look at temperatures. They are dropping fast. In fact, just 2 hours ago, we're into the 30s. It's now 21 in Pittsburgh, Denora 25. 20 in Butler, and Beaver Falls coming in at 19 degrees. I thought that we would, before I got in, I was saying, hey, we could stay into the low 20s this morning, but by 8 o'clock we're expected to be into the teens. That could happen as soon as the next hour. Your high today about 35, but that's already been hit. The rest of the day, well, you can see it right here, just in the teens is what we're looking at. And then look at what happens overnight. Man, we get really cold really fast, with temperatures down into single digits as we're waking up tomorrow. Windy conditions also. There's a look at your 7-day outlook. Cold air sticks around through Tuesday morning. And then after that, we have another chance. It looks like all rain now on Wednesday. We'll be right back after the break.